Hi guys, back from holiday. This is my is it ultraviolet fly killer that I have by my desk, because if you've watched some of my videos you know I do react quite badly to fly insect bites, so I keep this one close at hand. Anyway, I have noticed it's not working, and it normally hangs from a hook up in the ceiling. Well, you may see that light's just come on and gone off again. It's a bit intermittent, and if I jiggle the wire while it's actually hanging up, sometimes it comes on and sometimes it goes off. I think we can see that lighting occasionally. So I'm wondering if we got a loose connection in the power cable. I've checked at the plug end, and that's fine. I've tried wiggling it while the light's going on and off, and wiggling this end doesn't make any difference. So it looks like it's in this end. Now the screws that are in it are star heads or star sockets on them. This is my favourite screwdriver from Poundland, which has crosshead and ordinary flat bits to go with it. This is another screwdriver set from Poundland that has a bigger selection of bits, but they're interchangeable with this screwdriver. So I've got this star shaped one, remembering we're unplugged, and it fits a treat. So we'll have a look. I don't know where I got this fly trap from. Nothing written on the bottom. STV International Ltd. Forge House, Little Chessington. Okay. Bearing in mind this is one of those ones that electrocutes them when they go in there, we want to be a bit careful that it's not still powered up if we start touching anything inside. The blue light attracts them, and then the bare wires that are there electrocute them when they touch it. This is almost a big Clive type video, isn't it? Okay, we've got a few dead flies on there, so you don't want to touch that just in case it's charged up. But looking at this, I think I can see what the problem is. I think it might just need screwing in tighter. Yeah, that's loose. I don't know how many years old this is. It may have vibrated loose, or heating up and cooling down has allowed it to come loose. Well, I'm guessing. Right, I'm going to power it up without touching anything. And we got light. And looks like I can still vibrate it loose a bit. Let's tighten that up a bit more. I reckon that's all it is. Yeah, can do another half a turn there. So that somehow or other that's actually, I should think it's heat and contraction more than just unscrewing itself. I'll take it out and clean it if I can. So these are the bits that will be powered up. Looks okay. I expect Big Clive would take this apart. Oh, rattles. Try that again. Yeah, I think that might be all it is. So I won't bother taking it apart any further. If that's all we need to do, then that's all I'm going to do. And we'll leave it to Big Clive to take one apart and draw you a circuit diagram. I think he's done one of these in the past. The bit I was pleased with was just the fact that that screwdriver set is interchangeable with that one, or the bits are anyway. That's the normal one. Both from Poundland. Right, can we get it back together? There's a slot there that lines up with the I think the idea is you're supposed to undo the bottom here somehow or other, yeah, to get rid of any of the flies that have dropped down. So I'll throw that out. Well, the light's on now, and I have taken the opportunity to brush out any of the flies that were dead across the wires there. So it's clean again. So I'll hang it back up again and see if it works. Looking good at the moment anyway. Well, that may have just been a lucky fix. I hung it back up again and the light didn't come on until I gave it a little tap. So I may have just been lucky there. Still handy to know that those Poundland screwdriver bits are interchangeable. So that's a positive, if nothing else.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.